Welcome to Kamsiparts Automotive Limited. Today, we will be talking about car wheel. What is a car wheel? A car wheel is a circular device that is an essential part of a vehicle's structure and functionality. It is typically made of metal, such as steel or aluminum alloy, and is designed to support the weight of the vehicle while allowing it to roll smoothly. Car wheels are attached to the vehicle's axle and are usually equipped with a tire that provides traction and cushioning. Functions of car wheel. Over the years, cars have evolved into a wide range of shapes, sizes, and designs. Some auto parts are now obsolete, have expired, or are being replaced by newer models. Wheels are the only car parts that have always been used. These circular structures generate rotary motion and are responsible for moving the car from one place to another. Consequently, wheels are an essential component of any automobile. Since their discovery in 3500 BC, these circular blocks have adopted various designs, structures, and styles. What are the parts of a wheel? The car wheel is one of the essential parts of a vehicle. It produces a rotatory function and moves the car from one point to another. Since their invention in 3500 BC, car wheels have changed various designs, styles, and structures. However, their function is still the same. Read on and find more about car wheel parts' name and their functions. 1. The wheel disc or rim. This is metallic and can be made of different materials and have different shapes, but basically, it is a tube and the rest of the elements of the wheel are placed on it. These other elements are attached to it through bolts and nuts. For tubeless tires, there must be a proper fitting between the tire and the rim. The car wheel rim is made of a strong material such as steel so that it can take the load of a car. The car size determines the width and the diameter of the rim. Moreover, you can also get customized car wheel rims as they come in different colors and styles. 2. The valves. The car tire valve is one of the key car wheel parts that helps in inflating and deflating the car tires. The air or nitrogen necessary to fill the chamber is introduced through it, or it is removed if an excessive amount has been put in. When closed, this valve keeps the air or nitrogen inside, preventing it from escaping to the outside. It is, therefore, a key element to maintain tire pressure and driving safely. The mechanism of the valve is integrated with a tire pressure monitoring system which helps drivers to understand the pressure condition. 3. The hubcaps. Some wheels have a trim known as a hubcap. Sometimes this hides the nuts or bolts of the rim. In principle, its purpose is merely decorative, although it also helps to keep the rim clean of dirt particles. Hubcaps are securely fit in the hub area of your car to encounter all sorts of dust and debris. Besides, hubcaps also help in increasing the lifespan of your wheel by protecting wheel nuts and bolts from corrosion. The hubs in the car wheel allow it to take turns. It also maintains the wheel speed sensor and plays an important role in the braking, steering, and traction of your vehicle. 4. Counterweights. Another part of a wheel is the counterweights. In fact, it is an element that some people are unaware of, but that is essential for safe driving. These counterweights are small in size and are usually made of lead. These are placed on the rims and their main purpose is to balance all four wheels and prevent vibrations while driving. Not only is this vibration uncomfortable, but it can also damage shock absorbers, reduce tire life, and make driving less safe. 5. The tire. Last but not least, tires are actually one of the most crucial parts of a car wheel system. Because without tires, the rim, the valve, and the counterweights, it is of little use. Also, it is one with the highest volume. The job of car tires is to provide traction and cushion the shock with the help of suspension and shock absorber. Tires also cover rims from touching the ground. The tread in car tires is the outermost part that comes with a tread pattern. If you want to check the tire tread depth, you can use a coin or follow this guide. Symptoms of a bent tire wheel. A bent tire wheel's deterioration can put vehicle safety at risk. It can cause the wheel to pinch or pop, resulting in a blowout. Therefore, it is important to have a basic understanding of how to diagnose an affected tire rim. Here are the top signs that you must be able to identify. 1. Tire keeps deflating. If you notice your car tire keeps losing pressure, it might be due to a bent rim. One of the reasons for a flat tire is the separation of the rim from the airtight seal around the tire. As a result, the air leaks causing the tire to deflate. Also, there will be visible damage to your wheels such as scratches or abrasions. You can remove hubcaps to see any deformation on the wheel. 2. Shaky steering. When an uneven tire hits the road, it causes a bump in the ride. These noises will pick up momentum when you accelerate. An unbalanced tire causes constant vibration and shaking in the steering wheel column and seats. 3. Difficulty in controlling the car. When a tire rim is bent or damaged, it becomes difficult to control your vehicle. This causes a change in the tire pressure which impacts the steering of the car. The vehicle will swerve and jostle around easily. You will notice a thumping sound in your car if it has a bent tire rim. 4. Extreme pulling to one side. When your car pulls to one side, it indicates a misalignment of the wheels. In case of a damaged tire rim, the car will pull towards one side. Causes of a bent car wheel. A car wheel can be affected by several factors. From driving over uneven surfaces to basic car maintenance mistakes, the tire rims can be affected, compromising vehicle safety. Here are the common causes of bent car wheels. 1. Driving over potholes. There are several reasons to avoid driving over potholes since it significantly impacts the car structure. Since the tires are in direct contact with the road, the impact causes deformation and deflation. The car wheel can easily be cracked and dented, leading to less stability of the vehicle. 2. Underinflated tires. It is important that the car tires have the appropriate inflation. If not, driving over uneven roads with underinflated tires causes the rim to bend. The impact of bumps, pebbles, and ruts results in the deformation of the tire. 3. Corrosion. The constant exposure to oxygen causes the rims to corrode. The corrosion leads to the deterioration of the metal, weakening its strength. The process gradually increases with time, however. It must be inspected at the earliest to avoid any further damage. 4. Curb damage. Wheels can be damaged when the vehicle is parked along tall curbs. Curbs grind the paint job and put dents in the metal. Sharp turns also cause the tire rims to bend. That will be all for today. To get any original car part anywhere in Nigeria, please visit www.kamsiparts.com.